Hey guys, it's Lakeisha with What's Next, and we are here in the Harrahs in Las Vegas. And we are on the very top floor of the Valley, I believe, Valley Tower. And we were blessed. We didn't get one of the biggest suites. I think those might be all gone, but we did get a really nice room here. Let me just zoom back a little, or unzoom, whatever it's called, so you guys can see. Comp as usual, thanks to our Caesars Rewards, but this is going to be the king room here in the Valley Tower. Very nice touches. Caesars, as always, does a really good job. The wall is really neat. It's like a leather material, but it looks like it's got stitching, and it's just the way the wall is. It's really, really neat, but it matches really well. Beautiful, beautiful room. Good job, Caesars, as usual. Again, this is the Harrahs here on the Strip in Las Vegas. Now, I've seen other videos. I haven't actually watched every video, of course, on YouTube about the Harrahs, but I am very impressed, and I just wanted to share and make sure that you guys get to see just how nice this place is. The casino has really nice games. Everything has been on point. Our check-in was amazing. Johnny said the restaurants are really good. This is just a basic on the top floor, but this is just a basic room, I believe, except when you go into the bathroom here, you're gonna see just how amazing it is. But I've seen a couple of bad things, and I don't really know what Harrahs on the Vegas Strip these people are staying in, but it's definitely not the Harrahs we're staying in on the Vegas Strip, and there's only one that I know of. But this place is amazing. But you can see they've got the shampoo, conditioner, and everything on the wall, but this walk-in shower is beautiful. It's like everything's new here. Really nice. Caesars has done a really good job putting this all together, and this door is gorgeous to where the actual toilet area is. It's nice frosted glass. This is so nice. So anybody who has something bad to say about how the Harrahs looks so far, all the restaurants, everything that they have, the only downfall I did see, but it didn't affect us, because if you're a rewards member and you continue to go to Caesars, you'll be able to earn status and you won't have to deal with it. But there was a pretty long line not for the check-in, but to leave your baggage, because they did have a really busy night. So I think there were a lot of events and things going on in Vegas. Yeah, I think there was like a UFC fight and a boxing match and so forth, and Caesars was really busy, all of the Caesars properties. So anyways, there was a lot of people checking out. Therefore, at 10 or so, 11 in the morning, everything wasn't ready, and which is exactly right, because I don't think you can check in that early. But anyway, so a lot of people were looking to put their bags up, and therefore the baggage was really backed up, like the, what are they called, honey? Oh, the bellhop people. But thanks to Caesars and their rewards, we are pretty high level, so we just went into the VIP. They treated us very well, took our bags right away, checked us in, and we didn't have to wait. So another perk, of course, of being Caesars Rewards. But there's our temperature thermometer. What is that called? Thermostat. So we can put our own temperature. But again, this is the Harrahs on the Vegas Strip. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful touches in the room. Very good view. We can see the Mirage across the street. Now, if you're not familiar with the Vegas Strip, Caesars Palace is what most people think whenever you say Caesars, but down at the end where Caesars Palace is, across the street from the Caesars Palace, are all Caesars owned hotel casinos. So you have the Planet Hollywood, you have the Link, you have Paris, sorry, Johnny just threw me off. Horseshoe, Cromwell, Harrahs, I might have said that already, Flamingo, the Link. I think that might be all of them, but they're all owned by Caesars. So all of those properties are down at that end. So this whole area, you can use your rewards, Caesars rewards card. And if you have comps, then you can use them at those properties, and you can, you know, use your free rooms and so forth. So anyways, long story short is we usually stay down at this end of the property, and it's very convenient to get from one place to the other. And then another one of our favorites that we found a while back, Hidden Gem Casino Royale, is right down there as well. So if you have not signed up for rewards, or if you like any of those properties, definitely sign up for the Caesars Rewards so that you can get comp rooms like this one that I just showed you, or some of the other ones that are on our channel. But anyway, I'm showing you the view here from our room. Again, the comp room at the Harrahs. And then if you're not familiar as well, all of the Harrahs all over the United States have been purchased by Caesars. So no matter what city or state the Harrahs is in, you can also get comps there and stay at those properties, which we do. That's how we travel quite often, because they are all owned by Caesars as well. So that's definitely a big bonus for those of you that are Caesars Rewards or want to become Caesars Rewards members, because there are Harrahs everywhere, like literally everywhere. And they all have, almost all, I think, or maybe all, have casinos. So anyways, there's my little spiel about the Caesars Rewards and how amazing Caesars has treated us over the last couple of years. So this is Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next. And we are going to have some lunch, and then we're going to go and see what we can find to get into. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.